in. Alright. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. One of the most common problems with this car, not to say the only problem, but you see this? What's the what's right there? Oh, the hose. That's one problem. The hoses come out. The hoses are on there, right? The hoses. Y'all check the hoses. They all connected.
No, we didn't check.
Make sure the hoses are. That's one of the common problems. They come on.
There's one here.
They on?
Yes, they are.
All right. Here's another common problem with this car. Is the light over here? The light there. What did that say? What did that say? Read it.
Bottom.
Huh?
What does it say?
Yeah.
It says bottom.
Now guess what the other side says? If I turn it around.
So they put it the wrong way?
Yeah. Take it off. Take it off. No. The whole thing. Take the whole thing out. Unplug it. Take the whole thing off. It's one unit. This comes off. Yeah. Now the electrical plug down there. Now you got a clip on there now. Now you got a clip on it. Don't break it. I got you on camera if you break it.
Those are these.
Esa parte sale todo. Si la
Take it off. Take the whole thing off.
Todo sale
Take the
por
whole
arriba.
thing off.
Jálalo todo. Y un solo.
Now turn around. Read it. What it says. Let me see.
It says top. Bird is here.
You can't see. We can barely see it. Oh, you see it right here, right?
Yes, I see.
Put it back in. I like the plug. Hold on. Oh, now sometimes.
Use an ankle biter. Use an ankle biter. Hey, don't be getting nippy. Come here.